Welcome to Cisco Packet Tracer 5.3.2.5, exploring the Cisco IOS CLI. The objectives for this activity is to use the Cisco IOS CLI context-sensitive help feature. We'll also explore command shortcuts, learn about error detection features, and use command history. So first I'm going to connect the Cisco or customer Cisco 1841 router. I'm going to use the termination software on customer PC to connect to the Cisco 1841 customer router. So you go to customer PC, go to terminal, click OK. Okay, and if it's not at this command prompt, you just press enter and it'll bring you to this. And the customer router prompt indicates that you're in user exec mode. So now we'll explore the context sync feature. At the router command prompt, type a question mark, and what happens is a brief description of the help that is available is displayed. Now type E question mark to see which commands start with the letter E. Type EN question mark, and then notice that you'll see only commands that start with an EN. Type enable, and the prompt changes the customer router pound, indicating that you are in a privileged exec mode. So now we're going to explore Cisco IOS command shortcuts. If you type the letters that are unique to a command and then press the tab key, the CLI automatically spells out the complete command. So I'm going to type C at this prompt and press the tab key. Because C by itself is not unique to just one command, nothing happens. Now add on ONF to the C and press the tab key. And because this sequence of letters is unique to the configure command, the CLI automatically completes the command entry. So now we'll explore error detection features. So at the Okay, now that we're at the customer router prompt, you can type in CON, press enter, and the output indicates that this is an incomplete command. So at the router command prompt, I'm going to enter configure TRMINAL and press enter. Be sure to end the command with the spelling error, because the Cisco IOS CLI does not recognize the command and indicates an error with the marker, little up arrow marker. So now we will recall previously typed commands. Previously used commands are stored in a history buffer. To recall the last command entered, you push Control P. The command appears at the router command prompt. So also you can scroll back through the commands in the history buffer by repeatedly pressing Control P and then press Control N to cycle forward through the history buffer. The up and down arrow keys can also be used to recall commands from the history buffer. To view the last 10 commands entered, enter the Show History command.